American Standard's tremendous bath and showers make bathroom redecorating a breeze. It's simple. One common shower valve, many decorative options that fit any style and budget. Our shower valves boast a variety of features that will ensure lifelong reliability and performance for your bathroom. The temperature control valve turns the water on and off and adjusts the temperature, while the volume and temperature control valve gives you the added benefit of adjusting the control water from a trickle to full force. American Standard shower valves are durable, safe, and easy to install. The valves are made of the finest quality solid brass to ensure performance, longevity, and a solid installation behind the wall. Ensuring safety for everyone, the pressure balance valve protects from accidental scalding by ensuring no temperature fluctuations occur while showering. Also, for added safety, all of our pressure balance valves incorporate a hot limit safety stop, which limits the maximum hot water temperature. Acrylic, tile, stone. The valves install seamlessly with any type of enclosure material. Once the valve is installed, it's easy to change the look of your bath or shower with the many style options available at American Standard. For example, changing from traditional to a more contemporary style without changing the valve. First, remove the existing decorative trim from the wall. Lastly, install the new trim. Or we can change from temperature to both temperature and volume control. First, remove the existing decorative trim from the wall. Next, remove the valve cartridge. Note common rough valve body remains in the wall. Now simply install the new valve cartridge. Finally, install the new trim. The style options are almost limitless. Now you can begin using your new tremendous bath shower, only by American Standard.